Good day once again, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. We are here to unbox another Xmen card series, and this is the 2009 Xmen Archives. So as you can see, we have two packages here. I think this one is from set card number 1 to 36, and this should be from 37 to 72. So for this Xmen Archives unboxing, we're going to make it two-part video. So we're gonna set this aside for part 2, and for now our focus would be Xmen Archives cards number 1 to 36. Let's go! So this one I also ordered online via eBay. So I'm receiving it now after 3 months. Okay, so because from the US to the Philippines, and with all the delays, I'm just happy that it's here, and it's, as you can see, near mint condition. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look what we have. We have here the Xmen. Okay, the quality of the card is good. It's thick and solid. Let's take a look at the back. So this is the checklist. So what we have is only the base set from 1 to 72. Okay, so we don't have the bonus set, Nemesis, Ready for Action, Legendary Heroes. That's fine. Perhaps another day. So number 1 here is the checklist. Okay, so we have here Archangel. Okay, it's a bit beef up. Okay, Angel from Philip Tan. So not much information really. It's just the picture and the name. This is Armor. Okay. Oh, who is this kitty cat? I don't know this guy. Is this Beast? Oh, interesting. White Beast. Okay, this is Bishop. Let's see. Correct. Bishop Xmen Archives. So I'm not familiar whether the Xmen Archive is a different variant of the Xmen we love. Okay. This is Blink. Look how skinny she is. Look at that arm. Blink. And then we have, this is Cable and Hope Summers. Cable. Okay. Is this Wolverine? Caliban. Okay. So one mistake. Oh, this one I don't know. But it looks like a Morlock. Callisto. Ooh. So that's her power. All those tentacles. Of course, this is Cannonball. Okay, not even a real name for the character. It's a very simple card. This is Captain Britain, Unmasked. Okay. This is, what's this one? Chamber. Correct. Chamber. Colossus. By Terry Dodson. We have, of course, Cyclops. Okay, I like this card. Take a look at that. Very intense Cyclops. This is Dazzler. And again, very thin Dazzler. Okay. Wade Wilson, Deadpool. Let's see who the artist is. Patrick Zurcher. Ooh, this looks nice. Domino. This is one of the newer ones. This is Dust. Okay. She is actually one of my favorite HeroClix figure, Dust. So I really know her. This is, I don't know, Pretty Boy? Elixir, yeah, okay. That's correct. So Elixir, the ultimate healer. The sexy Emma Frost. Face, not so much. But body, definitely. Yannick Paquette. Forge. Okay. Gambit. Okay, with his classic pose, throwing cards. Gambit. This is from Alpha Flight. Oh, who is this again? Guardian? The Guardian? Yeah, correct. This looks like Havoc. But he really has a weird long arms. Okay, this is, who is this? Okay, I think one of the Hellions. Hellion, okay, see, okay, told you one of the Hellions. Okay, so this is Icarus. Let's see. Icarus, okay, correct. Iceman? This looks like Iceman. Okay. But I wonder why he seems to be suffering from the cold. And then this one... Is this Sync? But I know Sync is black. Ink. Ooh. Not so familiar with the character. Ink. Ooh, take a look at that. Jean Grey. Take a look at that. Followed by this girl. I don't know who you are, but you seem to be well-chested. Jubilee. Okay. So that's a surprise. That's a very different take of Jubilee. Okay. This one... Don't tell me this is X23. Ah, Karma. Okay, so I'm used to seeing Karma with a shorter hair. So, Karma. And then we have Sorn. Kuan Yin Sorn. And then Lilandra. Empress Lilandra. We have Longshot. The Lucky Longshot. And we have... Who is this? Oh... I give up. M. M. And of course, this is the last one. magic devil form. Okay. So as I said, we have a second part of this particular video for cards 37 to 72. So, but for now, I hope you enjoyed the video, and in the comments section, please tell me who do you like the most from the ones we've unboxed so far. So keep safe everyone, and I'll see you on part 2.